IT issues shouldn't slow you down. With Gamatech's IT support, keep your business running smoothly and securely with fast, reliable service and rapid response times. Trusted by over 94 businesses, we are proud to deliver dependable support to companies who rely on us every day. Our priority? Resolving issues fast. With an average 30-minute response time and personalized IT solutions, Gamatech ensures you get support that keeps your productivity high. Get peace of mind with a risk-free onboarding process, backed by a complimentary cybersecurity test. Whether on-site or remote, Gamatech's IT support is there to address your tech needs quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping your operations on track. Our personable team, with a 99% customer retention rate, is dedicated to providing warm, detailed support you can count on. Gamatech supports 94+ local businesses with over 20 years of expertise and a 30-day payout option. Our clients value Gamatech's professionalism and problem-solving approach. Experience the confidence that comes with a trusted IT partner at your side. Ready for reliable IT support? Contact Gamatech today for a free consultation, and let's make IT work for you.